get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day, lovelies. Welcome back. Alrighty, who is up for an old school lemon slice? First thing we've got to do is get 125 grams of butter out, chop it up, put it in a bowl, leave it sit there forever until it goes soft at room temperature. Once that's done, we want to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We need a square cake tin with baking paper. To our nice soft butter, we want to add 1/4 cup of icing sugar, and then with an electric beater, we want to beat it till smooth. We now want to add 1 cup of plain flour and mix it in really well. So when I say mix in, I mean push down with the back of the spoon. Once we've done that, we now want to put it in our tin. And I do remember this was a pain in the ass last time. So I'm just going to drop spoonfuls in there. And now with a fork, I'm going to spread it all out. Once we've spread it out with the fork, I'm just going to use the back of the teaspoon now and just get it as level as we can. Once we've done that and we've got it as flat as we can, as soon as our oven is up to temperature, we want to bang it in there. While that's cooking, we're going to make the filling. So we need 3 eggs. Whisk them up. Now we want to add 1 cup of caster sugar and whisk that in. Now we need 2 teaspoons of lemon rind. So we want to get the lemon, we want to get a little grater, and we just want to grate the yellow. We don't want to go right down into the white. And we want 2 teaspoons and chuck them in our jug. And now we need lemon juice. And we need 1/2 cup of lemon juice into our egg mix and whisk. Then we want to add 1/4 cup of plain flour and whisk that through. Alright, now we're ready to rock and roll. So we'll just set that aside while we wait for our base. 18 minutes later in my plain electric oven, and she's ready. We want to leave our oven on. Okay, once we've got that beautiful golden brown colour, while it's hot, we now want to get our lemon mix. Just give it another quick stir. And then I like to use a spoon, just to make sure you're in view, just so we don't dig it up. And we want to pour our lemon mixture all over. Once we've done that, we now want to bang it back in the oven. Exactly 20 minutes later in my plain electric oven. Oh, mate, I'm just a little bit excited. Alright, so it's nice and firm. She's ready. So how easy is this one again? You've got to love old school, don't you? Alright, now we want to leave it sit there in the tin for half an hour. And then after half an hour, lift it out and leave it on the bench for at least another half an hour until it's completely cold. Oh yeah, alright, once it's finally cold, dust some icing sugar over it. And cut it up any way you want. Oh mate, old school lemon slice, can't beat it. Easy to make, absolutely moreish. The whole family's gonna love it. Give it a crack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Doodles.